Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something I've not done in a while. We're going to be unboxing something. Now, you already know what's inside of here, because I've probably made it very clear in the thumbnail and the title what's in here. So not just been too on talking, but it's been quite a while since I've done one phone content or unboxed something, so I thought I might as well take you with me. I think it's not the most exciting thing that I'm unboxing, but I still thought it'd be pretty nice to share, especially it's not the most common item you would find, and many of you might be interested in trying to get one. I do believe they are limited stock. I'm not sure. I should probably have read that before I started filming, but oh, it's added comedy value. So we're gonna open up here. I'm intentionally holding the box so you can't see it, and here it is. A Dapol keyword publishing BR Diesel brake tender. Now this is actually my first time taking out the box, so I'll shut that back there. Here it is. You see you've got your keyword publishing logo. Luckily it is old age and I've not accidentally gotten the wrong thing for the layout. It is a bit wet, so I'm not sure if I will take this out to the shed, but I'll definitely get it on a bit of track. So take out here. I'm not fully sure why this packaging is necessary, but I guess if you want to take the box, then it makes sense. So here we have it. Not entirely sure what model this is, as in like what kind of brake man. I'll just move it out the way. However, I wasn't 100% sure what a diesel brake tender actually was before I found this in the Homey magazine. But basically what these are used for is, originally when diesels first were being introduced, especially to British Rail, they weren't heavy enough for the big one freight engines. Well, not freight engines, big one freight trains. So they would put these in front of the diesels or behind the diesels to give them more brake power. It wasn't necessarily just about weight, because like Class 37s, for example, they're relatively heavy, and they also had brake tenders. So this is BR Green. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, there's my tripod. Not 100% sure what one this is, but there's your information if you're interested. I'll take out. It is pretty neat packaging for what this is. Oh. There we go. It is well packaged, I will give you that. Half my engines don't come this well packaged. And here we go, the final product. That is quite well detailed. You've got your lights on either side. It's solid buffers, not spin buffers. You do have your narrow cup on. Metal wheels as well. That's always a good start. Although, first impressions, I think it will look a bit brighter on camera than it is. I would say delivery's done relatively well. Quite well detailed. It does feel quite fragile though, I will give you that. If you knock it in the wrong place, it might just come off. These are just face extruding, but this was a free gift for signing up for a year worth of subscription for the Homey magazine, so getting this on your magazines and not a bad price, I'll take it. And many of you may be aware, you're like, well, you've only got one BR Green Diesel, and that's my Class 25, for those who don't know. But I think my excuse is going to be, they didn't paint everything at first. Like, when they swapped from BR Green to BR Blue, I'm assuming the diesel brake tenders weren't the first thing they had in mind to start painting. So, you know, that's my excuse. Now, we'll get this on a bit of track, but overall impressions, very good, I would say. Very good. I'm really excited to get this. I've been waiting like a week for this to arrive, so let's go get some track, and I'll get my 25 as well, so we can put it in front and see what it would look like. I don't know if I'll run it. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Well, I mean, of course I'll run the model, but I don't know if I'll run it in this video. I'm not sure. I'll let you know by the end of it. Anyway, let's go get some track. So I've brought the track here. This is just a bit of foxy track, because I thought it wouldn't matter too much, and it does still look really nice. I think that looks great, and I'm not 100% sure how all the axles will cope with the corners on my model railway, but Worst comes to worst, I'll just loosen the spring a wee bit. Not spring, screw. One thing I should also notice is, which I forgot to mention, it does come with a wee bit of extra detail. I normally don't add the extra detail because it's just small things to break, but I'm not 100% sure what those are. I'm not sure. If you know what they are, comment below, because I would be quite curious to find out. I'll probably do that after I've done filming and editing this. But I should probably get my 25 on. No, this is narrow cup one on wide cup one, so I'm not. Here we go. That looks really nice actually. I quite like that. They are different shades, I will say. They are definitely. That's my 25 is way darker than the brick timber, but I think that might look quite cool on the model railway or the way out. Here's more of a front view of it. One thing I have noticed in the pictures is because my 25 is got yellow hair and this model doesn't, it is relatively noticeable, but I'm sure it won't make that bit of a difference. Might quickly put my 25 here and put this on back here. Does that? I mean, it still looks okay, but I think I prefer, at least in this case, to have a boat tender at the front. One thing I will say is I keep calling this boat tender a boat van, and it's annoying me because I know that's not true, and a boat van's quite a different thing. But I don't know why I felt the need to mention that, but I might as well. I'm not 100% sure what the text on the side here means. It'll probably just be like information, I would assume, about the actual individual unit, but I'm not that up to date with my diesel brake tenders, and as I said before I actually bought this, you could say I had no idea what one was. Well, I didn't buy it, I thought that's a free gift, but you get what I'm trying to say. I didn't actually know what a diesel brake tender was. And of course, there only is one example of one, if I'm correct, because they were all strapped, but I'm not sure. I think some Heritage Railway, somewhere around England, built one out of an old, like, coal van or something, or coal hopper or something. I'm not 100% sure, but they've got an example of one that was remade. Although I do think it's quite a nice piece to have, and it's quite a unique piece. I don't know how many of you watching will have one of these or will get one of these after watching this video. I personally, it's a nice touch. Would I have gotten it if it wasn't free? Probably not, but because I got it for free, I'm quite happy with it. I'm not really too sure what else to add other than when the weather gets a bit better. Oh, it's not a bit better actually since I've started filming. I'll definitely get out to the shed and get some videos of it running, but I won't attach any footage of it running to this video because, well, that's just extra work, I guess. And if you really want to see it running, then I guarantee by the time you're watching this, there will be footage online, probably on this channel, or running. However, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you think you will pick one up or don't. It's completely up to you. I honestly don't really mind. But let me know as well if you want to see more unboxing videos, because I do buy quite a lot of items that I don't share with you all. I think the last, like, I don't even know how many of the last strains I've got I haven't actually shown me unboxing them. I showed the box for my mod, but I didn't actually show me taking out the box. But I guess that was quite a special engine, so I thought I wouldn't ruin the moment. Right, ignore everything I've just said about not running it. I've decided I've made an unboxing video, I might as well just get it running on a bit of a test track. So I've got it set up here. I've just got my 25, of course, with a new brake turning in the front of it. I've just got a basic goods train behind it, just fill with a mix of wirings. So I'll just show a couple of clips before I round off the video of it just going around a basic roof I've set up on my room floor. Well, thank you very much for watching. I did feel, as I said, I had to do some sort of footage of the 25 and normal of it. I could make an unboxing video and not like show off the product, but I think it is a nice touch to the model really, which I think I've already said this video, but oh well, I've probably repeated myself several times. Once again, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully I can get it on the main way out shortly. There'll probably be a bunch of shorts on it. And yeah, as I said, let me know if you think you'd already get one, or don't. I don't really mind. And let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and bye bye now. I'll like to turn the bye before I stop the video.